it wasn't just a kick in the pants. It was like it lasted for 8 minutes, and just the the power. It was like getting on a big old wild bull and riding it up to orbit. It was just amazing. And then as soon as we kicked off and our little weightlessness indicators started bouncing around, I looked out the window, and just the view was amazing. It was this teeny little blue strip that was going around the earth, and all the life that we know lives in that little teeny blue thin line. So that was an amazing perspective check almost immediately. There was a point at which, right before we were docking, that Fyodor had to go, Jack, and get me back in the game, because I was staring out the window at this beautiful space station we were about to dock to. It was amazing, and it blew my expectations away.
Well, that sounds pretty cool. How about the spacewalk?
All right, everyone. Welcome to the What Was That channel. I'm going to be doing a recap of some footage that I looked at yesterday. This footage, to be exact. I'll get into that in a minute, but I just want to say thanks, everyone, for who's watching right now, who's going to be watching, or going to watch the video in the future. I do have to admit, the only reason I'm doing this quick little broadcast is because I don't know how to make a video and upload it to YouTube, so the easiest thing for me to do is live stream. So we get a quick broadcast, maybe 10-15 minutes. I wanted to take a look at something that I noticed. I watched a rerun of one of my videos yesterday, and it was very difficult to see what I was talking about. So give me 1 second. I'm just going to test my audio. Just go ahead and enjoy Jack here floating. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to get my magnifier out here. I'm going to take a look here. I want to see if this shows up on the YouTube here. Oh, there it is. All right, so let's see. I'm going to go make a lens here. Oh man, how do I get out of here? See, I didn't know how to do this. View. All right, so it's over here, and what we're taking a look at, it was very difficult to see this. I'm going to make it full screen here for us. And here, I can count these dots that look like burnt out pixels. There's one here, 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 here. Anyways, I found them all over this place. Okay? Now, I'm going to try to zoom in so we can take a look. Let's go 300. Oops, sorry. It's kind of difficult. All right, and if you notice, look, what do we see? Do we see a dot here? 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 And a dot here. A dot here, here. Let's see, I'm going to try to scroll over, and if you look, there's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if there's any more. I thought they were burnt out pixels, but I'm not sure. No, let's go ahead and play. Actually, let me get out of here real quick. Just to make sure. I want to check to see if that came through on the YouTube. Make sure I'm not having any issues here. And it does look like it's showing up. All right. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and play this here. And then I'm going to zoom in again. And do we see how the dots don't move? And when he moves, you can see this dot behind it. Like something's happening. See, they don't move. That just stays there as he moves. All right. See how these just stay here, and when he moves, you can see a color change. I'm gonna go ahead and go 400. See him? What is this? What are those? Seem actually changing? Are those burnt out pixels? I'm no photographer. I do own a little bit older Canon DSLR, and I've been known to use it for astrophotography and stuff, but it has burnt out pixels, and I see them on pictures. That's why I stopped using it, and this sort of resembles that, but if I'm not mistaken, I can see, like, behind him as it moves, like this stuff. You can see it here. 1, 2, in his arm, here. One right there. But, alright, so let me go ahead and zoom this out. And I want to get to the key point. Let's check this out. Alright. And again, you can just see these. They don't move. They just stay there. Let's see if we can count them. 3 minutes, actually. Let's get to the goods. Let's just get to the part I want to show. Okay, it's coming up. So, I'm going to pause it. Make sure. Alright, let's zoom in. And we're going to pay attention to this spot right here. Oh man, this is difficult. Sorry. Okay, I want to minimize that. Alright, so we're going to take a look at this pixel right here. And we're going to notice, what actually brought me to these is I noticed earlier in the video there was a dust particle floating around. So I started tracking it. It was just fun because I didn't see anything happening. And then what happened was I kept thinking these little dots were messed up pixels, and the piece of dust comes right by it. And we're going to take a look at this right now. So see how these don't move? There's 1, 2, just 3 in our view, 4 in our view, 5 in our, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 of them right here, but we're going to pay attention to this one. So here comes the dust particle, and watch this. What was that? What was that? Look at that. What just happened? No burnt out pixels gonna be doing that. I'm sorry. I'm zooming in again. Let me. I don't know how to. Oh man, I did it now. I don't know how to get out of this. Come on. This is ridiculous. I apologize. I feel like an idiot. I don't know how to get out of here. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright, here we go. Just learning, sorry. Alright, let me get this set here. I'm just gonna check my audio real quick here, because my audio. Cool. Seems like my audio is working. All right. So again, this is gonna be a quick broadcast. I'm already at about 8 minutes. I didn't really find anything major. I just am having a difficult time trying to understand what these are. And again, for anyone who's just tuning in or wants to see it again, here's the video right here. I'm actually gonna add the link to this. Original. Alright, so I'm just adding the link to the footage right in the description box right now. Give me 1 second so that everyone can tune in or just watch it directly here. Alright, so let me... Alright, so here it is. We're going to back up a little bit. I'm going to full screen this. I'm going to get the magnifier out again. Alright, I'm going to put this right here. It was very difficult to see, and it is now. So what I'm going to do is zoom in. We're going to go... We're going to go 300. Actually, all right. And what we're doing is we're noticing these dots right here. There's one here, specifically this one right where his sternum is, below his sternum. there's one here. And when they move, or when Jack moves, you can see it ripple behind it. All right, so let's just count right here on his body how many you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now watch this piece of dust come by. What just happened to that? What just happened? What happened to this little dot? All right, and just so everybody knows, these dots are everywhere. There's one there, there, there. And then if we go over here, you can see they're all over. There's one here, 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 here. There's like, they're all over, and I'm sure they're more difficult to see up here. But let's watch that again. We're gonna go 400. Let's get some 400 action going. And again, we're just watching a little piece of dust go by that thing. What is that? Is that a camera malfunction? Is that gravity? I don't know. First, like, what happens? So here's this little dot right here. Here's this dust particle coming by. It, like, warps this dot. Crazy. All right, let me try to. I'm sorry, I get out of here real quick. All right, cool. I don't know if that was easy to see or able to be seen. I'm gonna try to. Let me just check the other. I'm just checking my the live feed to see if it actually you can see this. Or is it, like, you know, failed? Yeah, looks like you can see it. Yep, perfect. Cool. That was what I wanted to get out. If anybody can help me out with that, I would greatly appreciate that. Is that camera malfunction? Now again, just so people can see this, we're gonna try to count. Let's see how many more of these small dots we can see. I'm gonna start the interview over. All right, so we're gonna go up to, I like 300. 300 works. And we have to play the video so that way you can see them moving. So there's one here. Here, let's start from the feet. All right, so there's one there. One there, one there. You can see it moving behind it. One there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's 17 of these little dots that don't move when he moves. Okay, just on him, on Jack here. And then I was just messing around and I noticed if I go over here, you can see a bunch of them. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's another bunch of them. I'm wondering if they're like anchor points for there. Oh yeah, you got them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how they make them bounce. This is why they're bouncing like that. And they edit these little anchors out, or probably their wires. Let's see. Behind him there. Can we see in that reflection? No, nothing's there. They're not going to give us that. Alright, but again, here we go. You see these little dots here, they're not moving. You can see through them. The green screen's messing up. There's one here, 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 here. They're everywhere. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get this to the golden point. Alright, which is 13. We're going to go 13, 40. And then I'm going to put this in We're going slow-mo. We're going super slow-mo. All right, we're going to pay attention to that dust particle right there. Actually, I'm going to pause it. All right, I want to get this set. I apologize for the quick motion. All right, so we just looked at all these dots that appear to be around the scene. They're all over Jack. They're on the sides. But anyways, what we're going to do is pay attention to, again, this one right here. I have it slowed down to quarter speed. And then there's some sort of piece of dust, which has been floating around the entire time. But we're going to take a look right now. Here comes the little dust particle. And then watch this one. This dot or pixel or something. All right, ready? It starts messing up. And then it like moves. And then does that. So the little dust particle has a gravitational pull. So what's happening? The weight of the dust particle. Oh, come on. The weight of the dust particle is pulling this dot in as it goes by. See, this is a perfect experiment of gravity. I actually have proved gravity. Check it out. Whoa, it's pulling it. There it goes. There you go, people. And his arm like digitally messes up right there. I don't know. What is that? Is that a pixel messed up? I don't know. And you can see it right there. Alright, so let's watch it in fast motion here. I apologize. Let me get out of here. And if you are watching, if nobody is, that's cool. That is fine. I'm just making this to do a quick video. It's going to be thorough, though. We'll go back again. I want to make sure. I'm just going to go to the beginning and zoom in on the same dots. Actually, I'm going to let's make it full speed again so we can see that the original dot that moved doesn't move the entire time outside of that. All right, so let's see here. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what they are. They're anchor points for freaking a tether or some sort of bungee system. Or they're burnt out pixels. I don't know. I'm just looking for help. But if we notice, it doesn't move. There it is. That's the infamous one. And now let's go to the golden footage here. Why doesn't it tell me? We'll go back up. Let's check this out. Here's that little dust particle. And whoa, do you see that? It just moved. So the entire time these dots don't move except when dust comes around and creates a gravitational pull and pulls it away. And then this little dust particle has like, I don't know, is it radio controlled? Is this some NASA mini drone? I don't know. All right. Thanks, everyone. This is a little quick broadcast on the What Was That channel. And I don't know. I'm just confused because to me, I'm like, what is that? All right. Get this guy out of here. Let's see. Check my... All right, cool. Oh, the audio's been on in the background. Sorry about that, everybody. All right. I'm going to go ahead and stop this broadcast. Thanks for checking this out. If anyone has any further information, let me know. Again, I'm not a debunking channel or anything like that. I just look at footage, all in the hopes to find something that makes me say, what was that? And that does make me say, what was that? And I'd like a professional opinion on what was that. Thanks, everyone who's going to watch in the future, watched right now, or is watching. Thanks.